मरहबा. हेलो एवरीवन. नमस्कार. आई एम डॉक्टर पराग तेलंग. मैं एक बोर्ड सर्टिफाइड प्लास्टिक सर्जन आहे और मैं इंडिया में मुंबई में प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ. आई कंसल्ट एट बुर्जिल अलरीम इन अबू धाबी. Hello everyone. Today we have a very interesting surgery lined up. There is a 55-year-old female whose concern is mainly for the sagging on her face and also for droopiness in the neck area. I offered her both surgical and non-surgical options, but because she is not from Mumbai, she has opted for a surgical alternative. So today I am going to demonstrate to you a minimally invasive facelift and a minimally invasive neck lift, the way we do it, and along with a little bit of fat grafting for her under eye areas. This will completely rejuvenate not only the upper part of the face, the middle part and also the neck. To enhance her facial features further, I have also suggested an eyebrow lift for her. So let us see how these procedures are performed, and I hope you like this video.
Now you can see that inner part of the eyebrow is low and lower part is up. This is low, this is up. So from here it is turning up like this. So that is what we have recreated by pulling. We have recreated the arch of the eyebrow.